This is actually a trek. Like, walking in snow is a trek. It's like the decision game. You know, when you have to say, left or right. Oh, seven.
Hard.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, this snow is bright.
Is that a dam? On the back side? I wonder what that is over there.
What? Oh, over there?
They have fence, yeah.
Oh. Up is getting softer now. Ooh, the swingies.
Huh?
How are the swings like not covered? Right? Is that weird?
What did you say?
I said, how are the swings not covered?
I mean, 'cause it heats up on the bottom and it just keeps the water warm.
I guess.
I don't know what it's saying reserved for. Are there stuff there?
I don't know.
Like, what's under that calls for it to be reserved?
Maybe this is parking. Maybe. When we get to that, are we gonna like walk on it?
No.
Like,
So one of us could catch hypothermia. I fallen in.
what if we don't fall in? Wow.
Why should I be walking on something
That we're not supposed to be walking on?
heavy, like deep? Like the interest is crazy right here.
Yeah.
Cause I feel like there's a lot of snow buildup. Crazy, you smell like food. I smell.
We smell like food? It got like a little ornament hanging from it. I think I want to take a picture of both the tree. Maybe not both the tree. I'll do the tree. And then I'll do the bench. And then we do bench. Do you want to take a picture?
Of me?
Do you want to? Do you want a picture?
Oh, this is snowball making. It's still a little flaky. Look.
Oh, nice. See how far you can throw it. Wow.
What'd you say?
I said, see how far you could throw it, but then you threw it.
Okay.
That's pretty far.
Thanks.
That's farther than I thought you were going to throw it, actually.
Thanks. Oh, shoot, I can't bend over, bro.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. This texture is a little different than the one we just was at. It's breaking up a lot easier. Yeah,
You didn't make it to the lake, bruh.
Huh?
I said you didn't make it to the lake, bruh.
No, bruh. What the freak is that over there?
Should I try?
Yeah.
Throw one?
Yeah,
Can you make
when
me
you're
one?
done taking pictures, though. Or, like, so that way your gloves aren't wet.
I guess. Did you take a selfie?
Did you hear somebody? Yeah. I did. You can tell me that was my keep making. It look like I'm on a struggle bus. I love it. This is exciting. Is this a creek? Or did the ice create the creek?
I have no idea, babes.
The ice may have created the creek. I'm not gonna cap. That's so cool though. And then obviously it's running out at the bottom there. I'm trying to walk a little bit, but oh. Oh. There's not really. I think snow got in my shoe. Let's see.
How does snow get in your
that's
shoe?
cold. That's cold.
How the freak does snow get in your shoe?
I should have left my other socks on. goes down. Are we going down?
Do you want to go down?
Huh?
I said, do you want to go down?
Oh, I guess the lake goes like this.
Yeah. Yeah, because I'm like, there's a pier down there, so.
Oh, you're right. But what? Why have an enclosed area? What is in that enclosed area? That freely gets to go in the water.
That is weird. Maybe some boats. Maybe like a boat thingy.
That is weird. It would be nice to see this place in the summertime.
Yeah, just to see
What it looks like.
what we're doing.
Yeah.
What we're doing? I don't think I meant to say
My
that.
intrusive thoughts is to run across the ice, but definitely ain't doing that.
You talking about like the lake?
Yeah.
Mm.
In
Mm.
movies when they run right before it cracks.
Yeah, I got you. I know what you mean.
Nah, whoever was driving knows this place. To know that they had to, right?
Definitely.
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
This is not even a footstep. This is a bike step.
This is a bike. Not a bike. It's like a,
What?
I don't know what it is. It's more like a I don't know.
What would it be?
I don't know.
I
This,
think it's a bike in, bike out situation.
okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh.
Look at that tiny little acorn.
Where? Oh, that's cute.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. Hilarious. You're gonna get out of it?
Out of the shadow?
Oh.
Which acorn is it? Is it that one? Oh.
Yeah, this one. What? It's gonna be hard, but I think I got it.